A pendulum clock gives correct time at 20 degrees Celsius when it is placed in a value of G 9.8. The pendulum consists of a light steel rod connected to a heavy ball. It is taken to a different place where now the acceleration due to gravity is 9.788 meter per second square. At that temperature, what will be the correct time? Okay, so the coefficient of linear expansion of steel is given to me. Now, first of all, we know that the time period of a simple pendulum is given by this formula, where L is the length of the string and G is the acceleration due to gravity. So initially at temperature 20 degrees Celsius, it is giving correct time. Let the correct time period be T is equal to 2 pi under root of initial length, that is L naught, by 9.8. Alright, now after that it is taken to a place where G is 9.788. So I have to calculate the temperature so that it will give the correct time. Now obviously if I change the temperature, then obviously length will change, and what I need is that it shows correct time, that is time period remains same. Okay, at T is equal to 9.788 meter per second square. Okay, this is my value of G. Now I can write again that if T has to be same, then it will be equal to, let's say, L final divided by 9.788. Okay, so this time period will be equal to this, that is 2 pi under root of L naught by 9.8 is equal to 2 pi L final to 9.788. So 2 pi get cancelled, squaring both sides I get L naught by 9.8 is equal to L final by 9.788. Now we know that L final is given by L naught 1 plus alpha delta T. So L final by L naught is equal to 1 plus alpha delta T. From here I can calculate the ratio of final length to that of initial length, that is 9.788 divided by 9.8. So this is equal to 9.788 divided by 9.8. So alpha value is given as 12 into 10 to the power minus 6 into delta T will be, let's say the final temperature is T and initial temperature is given as 20 degree. It is equal to 9.788 by 9.8. Solving this equation for temperature T, I get the value of T as minus of 82 degrees Celsius. That is the answer.